In this video, I'm going to show you how to file jointly on TurboTax. So first, you want to log in to your TurboTax account, and then from there, you want to go to over here on the left where it says My Info. So click on that, and then it says Let's get to know you better. Now, you want to enter in your first name, your middle name, your last name, etc. over here, date of birth, and occupation or job title. Once you enter that in, you want to click Continue, and then enter in your SSN or ITIN, and then press continue yet again. I'm just gonna skip through so we can see how to do this. Then you wanna enter in your state of residence. So we're just gonna do California. Of course, you should do your own over here. And then you wanna basically mark what's right for you over here, and then you want to press continue yet again. And over here is where it gets interesting and important. Okay, so where it says about your household, you want to make sure you put married, and you want to click on the plan to file jointly, which is recommended over here. And after you click this, when you're gonna go from now on, so you're gonna press continue and put in all your information, everything is gonna basically align so you can file jointly on TurboTax. So this is where you do it. Make sure this is selected, and this is the most important part. So from here, you can then continue and start filing jointly. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.